Here we are inside the cab of our 2023 23 plate Nuevo EK ES. ES for extra space, as this is the 4-berth version. This van is one owner from new and has covered just 1,195 miles. This particular van is the Fiat 9-speed fully automatic gearbox. A really beautiful van to drive. If we pull back further from the cab, you can see above the cab you've got an additional bed. This simply pulls down to create an additional above cab bed. A lot of people use this for storage, but of course you've got a full bed up there. There's your ladder to get up there if you wish. So a really large, comfortable space. When not in use, it simply pushes up out the way on the gas struts to enable you to have a clearer space in the cab area. Being the ES version, you have 2 additional travelling seats in the rear of the van. In front of this half dinette. And on the opposite side, you've got a standard Nuevo lounge bench. This makes up into a large double. Or of course you can make a single here by spinning the seat around as you would in the standard Nuevo. As we go back into the body of the van, you've got the same kitchen as the Nuevo. So you've got the full-size oven, full-size grill, 4-burner hob, which is 3 gas and 1 electric. You've got your extractor, of course, additional space underneath the cabinets there. You've got additional space above in the overhead cabinets. And as we move back to this side, you've got your fridge, your microwave, and you can see the additional oven cabinets in the lounge area. You've got 3 on this side and 2 on this side. So again, plenty of space in the van. Opposite the kitchen, we've got the wardrobe and toilet area with additional drawer below. If we just open this, you can see you've got a good size hanging wardrobe with an occasional table. The chrome leg simply sits in the little chrome socket there to give you that occasional table. And then if we go further into the bathroom, you've got the normal swing wall bathroom. So plenty of room for toilet and basin. And of course, if you want the shower, you can simply pull the shower wall to one side. You have a shower door that meets to it, so you've got totally separate showering. And of course, once completed, you can simply push these out of the way, and then you've got the same space back. You can see you've got the drying rack there, as most people use the bathrooms as a drying area. A little bit of extra storage, and of course additional mirror. But a really lovely bathroom area. So this is the 2023 Nuevo EK ES 4-berth 4-belt. If you'd like any more information on this van, just ring 01332 360 222. Ask for Mike, or if Mike's not available, Tim, and we'll run through the full specification of the van for you. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.